Welcome back to the channel again. The name is Kobby Jay. Kobby Jay. Today we are going to do a music reaction, and on my right I have
Realize Kendrick Lamar, which I'm from Anapoku.
Oh, you heard it right. And on my left hand is
and
then it didn't so. Okay, actually we are here to react to a song called Make It by RockieFella featuring Didi and Fali finest. Charlie, and you need brutal. And outside big dinner, Mr. J, make some dancing skills. Make me a sound, nice and pim. Let's get it done. Yes. Directed by Golf.
May that you bleed.
Okay, make it.
What did she say?
It's hard inside. Hard inside. I say hard inside. I think the pain be something be like that. It's hard inside.
You go back into your
okay. You pass him here. You go back.
You go back into your. Let's get it.
Make it.
It's hard and sad. It's hard and sad. Oh yeah, you know, you know who?
Sad and sad.
Yeah.
I thought it was a hard inside.
Yeah.
Always hard and sad.
Always hard and sad. Why didn't you know?
Oh, who is that? I hate it. Hold on. I will make it.
Oh, the girl is good.
Like the emotions in crowd is singing. Very sick.
The music there is that's what we are all seeing, you know. Oh, my feeling, no.
Exactly. Yeah.
Pass through what, and you know, yeah.
Because sometimes they say most of the musicians, they even the crowd, they don't sing for themselves.
Yeah.
Listeners, no fans, you know. I say, hey, you wait. It's my semi do. I don't want bomb out.
Around my career, Mugis, also good music will get you to dance.
Mugis dancing that thing.
Wow, you awesome.
And I'll become the
No. What's in your meeting? And I say, you guys heard something.
What's it then? What's it?
I will be a star in the twilight or something like that.
Maybe I'll be a
star. It's not what you're thinking.
What's it? What's it then?
I will be a star in the
No.
Go back. Twilight.
Where is your brother?
Twilight.
Twilight.
Like it's.
I couldn't turn CD. Oh.
And I do a Rocky video. In the city, I am telling you.
Oh, Charlie, it's sad.
It's hardship, no. Upcoming for normal bro, Charlie.
Yeah, they go through.
Yeah, they go through a lot.
This particular one, I think it's a drama upcoming artist. This is what they do. Most of them. This will be also when you're managing your muscle. No, share them no money. I mean, some
from that to there. What the Hubetini now?
I'm telling you.
I see mostly when I kill baby talent.
Yeah.
We don't want to standard this.
Yeah. It's not a short or some 5 days journey. Before I obey. He to say, hey, I'm one of the top musicians, and I said, long time.
It might be brave.
Into the push, I'm gonna move na fede and chip.
Even now, we are what on CD, no.
Let's go.
We were to be a man.
Sure.
Oh, well, Panaga style.
Yeah. It's the style. It's very difficult to hear him, but it sounds very fine.
Yeah, I
don't know what was
it rocks with the beat and it's really
very
wow. And one thing, when you say this is how music is, sometimes you don't even need to understand or hear what the person is saying to dance to the music. Like
go with the flow. Flow no. Say it's taking you.
That is the thing. Taking hip hop. Give me our last China focus if crime it it was very
China's way
and rhythm doesn't know anything and so language in
I think this is also the style. Also we need the style.
I mean, we are doing this for subscribers purposely because most of will be on entertainment on what I say and your artist be on my you be decide say we you be react to no and you say be find on my artist people say realize wetin be my react a bet person fa obi a fa say be depending no so bebre and you know you be on money be on look they just mon show we say on fan comment e bra Kobby Jay say one day me my account e be shock me cry yanko
sometimes club here or the house. Some come 1 or 2 be actually 1 shot. We go for 1 shot, you love. We go try something and your man. Still doing me and your fat.
Charlie.
What wanna show?
Obisu class champion show.
What wanna show?
You could have seen that to them.
But honestly, Ghana Yawazi.
Seriously.
Ghana Yawazi. When it comes to music, guys,
Kobby manager said now say be reacted to this. Okay, ubo ni dina. Who ma dey ba kwa me fan ho. Me let's search about this guy in particular, RockieFella. Yeah. Also watch our best rapper will be music award. Artist of the year. I think this year more nominated on a J.
On a J.
What's 3 music award on song we know Okahobi.
Nomination,
yeah.
I'm nominating here.
Be a wade.
What's that? And I make us say
be a wade.
This is how it goes. So kakra would you kakra before you see better now.
3 music award. I think so one of the big music organizers of more Ghana and only that platform no I think it helps to some like
sure and just
make it empower
and just you make it you make it
Rocky Sustina on Pabo. Oh, you know they run no.
China pad na de. Abe on the Didi ana.
On come at dinner so now you see the man. Oh, you me.
Oh, you know I send the run no. Ah, go away
pad no Didi. You come back next year.
Whatever, Nina on the
O say me and the phone so ground.
Do the Nina send the run.
Send the water why ya no more no.
Akobe.
When you are talking. Koyo bo him no be me.
My man, it's part of it.
Koyo bo him no be how I throw be dino.
But just to trouble no be say
part of it.
Go. Oh.
Fali finest. Let's go. Oh. I can't lie, do I have it in here. I said this year in Kitamia, I probably don't want it.
Yeah.
Okay. So
I don't know what I say.
Like when you're this year, then they're on an area on on Pebble, like on pay, it's okay. Or
if I don't get it this year, or say this year in Kita Media, I probably don't want it.
Then I think say I didn't know. I said in setting me can. I said all right to that particular year. Where they present in second.
Or make it. Do the title.
Yes.
Title. No, he's saying everything.
Wow.
Sure. And I wait to say, "Well, make it crana."
Guys, easy.
Charlie.
Let the news also Oshoguzo. Let the news Oshoguzo.
Be let the
Charlie.
I'm brought down.
Oh, face. Wow.
Be Kitania mo.
Nenimi amiensa.
Nenimi amiensa.
Face.
Men ko.
Let's go.
Be be mo be.
Cause a boy near foreign. If the baby now still I won't give up cause now.
Ofana ka bi wati. But it's okay the hair and you need a gum or the shenano or the
answer opportunity you be going
on your been how if you come to say hey and you need a gum.
It's a boy near foreign.
Rocky say bad. Oh, but honestly, and you must also bad and some part.
Oh, Mr. Webeto. I love this.
Oh, Fernando.
You shock him. You shock Rocky. You shock him. You shock him. See how the I mean tell you man.
Oh, Charlie.
You shock him.
Ah, yeah, he's
what's that piano?
Open eyes. And you know, turn around, no near the come you.
Make it. Charlie, give me one. Ah, Charlie. Then what they told me back. Let me check my dear. Charlie. The moon. What? Jay.
I saw trouble for me to try on which and answer.
Be so. You see, someone in Coco. Coco be in
Imran was a name. Imran. That's true. I'm also very good at this.
And so good
right now. It will be BBIB. My who they could be part in any corner. Our first so young Macri.
Was a crabby. Okay. December is coming. You come to Ghana.
Oh, where was you? Baby, I will host. Mumra now, the Mumra just talk. Can I be? You'll be Mumra.
Yeah, but life and collar.
Yeah, just. We never. Oh, nice.
Open a crack.
But not dropping a wallet too. I dropping a wallet.
And see, I don't. Maybe some more. Rocky Abro sweetie so. I could be on the took the crowd one ball.
Yeah.
What brand I feel the papa out of could be a oya Jessica. And I see my wallet out to Sikashim. And to be father with so and I say, oh, the man.
Before some man son could be the play. Now I am sure obey answer. So I found. Wow.
So, or their brain.
Or the man.
But me, also honest to be sincere with you, and the assistant is called
Cherokee name in Dunia. I'm not that guy. We don't Cherokee anymore. Say, hey, my own
J1 Cardena Bay, Kobby. Say, upcoming artist. Now, what on with CD?
Yeah.
Why you be crap? Now, friends around this old, you go blow. Try so best selling it out. Oh, now street I will sell it. Be a war, sana. I could be on the ticket crown or either.
I wash you.
Wash you. We'll be so class, no bill. We'll be at to CD. Or drop it in the wallet. And wallet into a beam, sketching. What the back call? And how the better or Jenny so.
Sometimes it depended. I dream about team first time. No, be an idea, but to be sincere with you. Open so focus on career now. Turn you my way. Says career on fire.
And they will go for. So be a man.
Right now that brain on. I think that there's something behind.
Me, the same similar things here. I mean, make the guy be a Kusiahin. And just okay, football trials. And after trials around, coach in the bag is go. I could say I time coach baggy. I want for no table for
one bag so
time coach in the bag. I could say I there was more family.
It was for bag in the
I want for car. I could say, I'm not in the ball.
True.
Yeah, go. Yeah, trust it. Look at Shaka room.
I didn't go.
Look at Shaka room.
There'll be something out of this. Something good. Oh, look at dripping.
I said,
wow.
I said,
nigga, I want to dripping.
So, Charlie.
No, this is an animal clear. Or money to who feel future picture.
I dripping. Yes, Charlie.
Wow.
Charlie.
Wow.
Nice video. Yes,
I'm impressed. I believe that so what you actually shall be able to say and common doors until I enjoy you patrol the file phone call YouTube but RockieFella or the born as such a you the teen year pass and breaking it down and you know very sick or more feature almost a very good Didi Brown let you know Didi Brown they been Kobby and Fali finest I'm very good.
Yes, sir.
Gafa who you saying?
Yeah, so basically you need a great thing I don't know a try to be convince guys killer.
Sick.
Yes, yeah. Lady know a great singer.
A great the voice look at the comment.
Brown a great singer. And the other guy
the rap star
Fali finest, right?
Yeah.
Honestly like all these guys, the three guys in the on the song. I'm sick.
Yes, sir.
No, I want to say.
I don't talk much, but as a people count. Lady, they singing, I'm not trying to person be like somebody. She's be on her own there.
Yeah.
But the voice, any stay fear.
Yeah.
That's sad. And me feeling.
But mostly, I say no, but sometimes coming up, some certain people be inspires us.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Say, what's here when you most me high school, most of the mom studied some year rap or Bradford near the idea to know when you see better now be beat so but when you see a back and cry now who say find it through you know that you get your own style. It's actually similar but not the same.
I'll put it that way.
The last time in Toronto, no big cousin be said Gafa can Patapa or starting the music career, not or rapid say or Bradford. The last time one guy was shooting Patapa, but the bedroom stage be all about that's all no corner one, no fun one start.
Yeah, started from the inspiration.
I was looking up to him those times. I'm a trans amateur rapper. I used to listen to Kendrick Lamar a lot. And see, I wanted to sound like him. Andrew baby no. Now me ya copy here or so Ghana here or kakra because my friends be much say na me height na we be na say na me say here. Tell me say here or crowd flow. At the person me tell me there. Yeah, I understand what you're saying.
Yeah, that is how it works, you know.
RockieFella is show crying. You die sick. Koswa there is Ghana for any genuine no.
Yes. Be a wade Charlie. Be a wade.
Edamasi say mo jembe na mo tenechi na mo share Kobby Jay TV and they be reacting to a music they catch them on you know. Bragafa thanks for passing through. Nana.
Yes, sir.
Thanks for passing through.
Yes, sir.
Bye.
Next time you meet
Peace out.